Download the installer from the official website. Click on the Download Now button to download a trial version. Once the installer is downloaded, open the installer. Select a preferred language. Read the agreement carefully and accept the agreement to continue. If you want to create a shortcut on the desktop, fill the checkbox. We have successfully installed the software. Now we will convert a dummy OST file with the software. You can import files through folder mode, or through file mode. To select the files, click on the Browse button. Here you can see a preview of data inside the OST file. Then click on Select Export Options. Here you can export the file into PST format, EML format, EMLX format, MSG format, MBox format, TGZ format, HTML format, MHTML format, PDF format, IMAP format, and NSF format. But for now we will convert it into PST file. You can also filter data according to delivery date, and according to subject. After that, click on the Browse button to select a location for the output file. To ignore the empty folders, fill the checkbox. By default it is filled. Finally, click on Convert Now button to start the process. The process has completed. Here you can see that OST file is successfully converted into PST file. You can use this file in any suitable platform or software. Purchase the full version from the official website to convert without limits. Thanks for watching.